What's up, fam? How you doing? It's your boy Pastor Dre, and today I want to walk you through how you can build a nice website for your church. So let's get into the webinar. Keep it locked. All right, fam. How you doing? How you doing? It's your boy Pastor Dre, and I want to say thank you for stopping by my live webinar. That's right, we are all the way live. So if you're tuned in on YouTube, or if you're tuned in on Twitter, however you want to do it, we are live. So I'm gonna get everything set up right here. We're gonna be talking about how we can build a nice 6-page website for your church. Hold on one second. Let me push the button real quick. All right, so we're gonna be talking about how we can build a nice church website. It's gonna be awesome. So I hope you get yourself something to drink, get some coffee, get some water. I'm kind of low on water here, so I might have to go get some water. Actually, that's not even water. This is it's not even water. It's like appetizer. That's what you call appetizer. But I'm gonna need to get me some water. So go ahead and get you some water, get you some coffee, get yourself comfortable, however you want to do it. But we're gonna be having a great time here in this webinar. And the goal is gonna be to build a website that looks like this. Let me show you. This is gonna be our goal, to build a nice website that looks just like this one for free. That's right, for free, absolutely free. You will have a subdomain. It will not be your own domain, but it will be a subdomain, such as my church website siterubics.com. But hey, if you don't have a website right now, free is better than nothing. Subdomain is better than no domain. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to do all this for free. Now you can get your own domain name, but it's like maybe $10 a year, $15 a year. So that's not bad. So if you do want to pay for your own domain, you can do that. But I'm going to show you how to do it for free with the subdomain. So you ready? All right, you're comfortable. You got yourself something to drink here. Let me go get some water real quick. I'll be right back. Hold on one second. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff. Just getting myself situated here. All right, so let's do this. Let me drink this real quick. Hopefully you got some coffee, some water. All right, so what I want you to do, I want you to go to my website, pastordre.com. I want you to go ahead and go there. Okay, and once you go there, see where it says free website? I want you just to click right there for me. Go ahead and click that. Then it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this here. Let me show it to you. It's going to look just like this. And on this page, we're going to decide on your domain name. We're going to decide on what you want your domain name to be. Okay, so what I'd recommend is you could type your church domain here. For example, say you are the Radical Church or the On Fire Church or the Evangelistic Church, whatever the name of your church is, you can type it right here. So let's just say we are the Fired Up Church. Okay, so I'll just say that, Fired Up Church. It's going to tell me if that domain name is available. So the good news is it is available. Okay, so you want to make sure whatever you type there, that your domain name is available. Once you do that, go ahead and click Build My Free Website. Okay, go ahead and do that. Once you click Build My Free Website, you're going to get a pop-up that looks like this. What I want you to do is go ahead and enter your email, enter your name, choose a username, and then choose a password. The reason you need to fill this in is because you're joining a community. That's right. It's an online community, which is pretty cool. It's an online community for like entrepreneurs and people that build websites, people that do it. It's like a community for those that teach you how to get more traffic to your website. And I'm a part of that community. So once you join, I'm going to send you a welcome message. So that's going to be pretty cool. Okay. So go ahead and do what you got to do. Put your email, your name, choose a username, and then choose a password. Like I said, once you sign up, I'm a part of this community, so I'll send you a welcome message. All right. Now, if you decide to go premium, I am an affiliate. So if you use the link from my website, they'll give me a little bit of love. So that would be cool. Even if you join the free program, they give me a little bit of love. So that's what's cool about it. But either way, you can join this platform here and build a free website. All right, so once you put in all your information, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Let me show you really quick. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say build a website. Okay, so it's going to take you to a page that looks like the one that's going to load up now. And it's going to ask you, what kind of website do you want to build? You want to build a free domain, a domain I own, or register a domain. I want you to go ahead and click build free domain. I want you to do that. Okay. And then once again, type your domain name here now that you know it's available. So mine was the Fired Up Church. Fired Up, or let's go. I'm just going to choose Fired Up. Fired Up Church. Let's do that. Hope that's available. Okay, good. It's available. Then here you can put the title of your website. That's where you could put the church that's on fire. You could put the name of your church, however you want to do it. So I'm going to put the Fired Up Church. Okay, and then you're going to have a theme right here. I want you to choose that theme. I have a lot because I'm a premium member, but you're only going to have one. So go ahead and click choose theme. Then I want you to click build my website. It's going to take a little bit. It'll take a few seconds. So let's go ahead and let that do what it has to do. Okay. It's going to say hold tight. We're building you something awesome. So let's go ahead and do what it has to do. And in the meantime, and in between time, if you ever have any questions, I want you to hit me up. You can hit me up at Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. Okay. So I'm done. Here's my login details. Once you're done, your login details will come up. Go ahead and click login now. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and close this page. We won't need that page anymore. Okay, so now you are in what's called your dashboard. This is where all the fun takes place. So this is going to be exciting. I'm excited about helping you get a website for your church. It's going to be pretty cool. So let's go ahead and do this. Are you ready? Okay. What I want you to do is you can go ahead and right click here where it says visit site. Go ahead and right click and then open a new tab. It's going to show you exactly how your website looks right now. So this is how our website looks right now. We already have a website. We're up and running. You don't have to wait for a day or two. If you go to your domain name right here, your website is up and running. Now, isn't that cool? Okay. Now, our goal is to get the website to look like this. Ours looks like this. And right now, we are in what's called our dashboard. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to where it says Appearance, Customize. Click right there. Okay. Do you do that? What I want you to do is see where it says Site Identity. I want you to click there. And then where it says Select Logo, I want you to click Select Logo. Now, here's the deal. I already have images that I've made in Photoshop. So I'm going to go ahead and upload those images. Okay. Now, if you don't have any images to upload, I'm going to give you the size and everything. That way, if you have a graphic designer, someone that could design a nice image for you, it will be good. I just did a basic image in Photoshop. I'm not a graphic designer. Okay. But I did it for the sake of this tutorial. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to select files, and then I'm going to go grab the files from my hard drive. If you don't have anything, I'll put a link in the video right now where you could download it. Just give me 1 second. So I'm going to go to my, let me see here. What we at here? Best SEO class, live webinars. Boom, PastorDre.com, how to build a church website. Images. Okay, so here's the image that I'm going to upload right here. It's the top banner. And if you have a graphic designer, you can let them know that the image size is 850 by 250. It's 850 by 250. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that image in there. Okay, and in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put this link for you in the chat once this is done uploading. So let me go ahead and do this. Boom, put that there. I'm going to hit select. Here's our image. I'm going to spread it out, and then I'm going to crop image. Okay, so I'm going to go to YouTube. Let me go to YouTube real quick so I can put the image in for you. Right, so that way you can follow along with me. Even if you don't have an image, you can download mine. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go to change logo. Click on this. Get the URL. Double click. And then I'm going to go here. Go to how to build a website. And I'm going to drop that in the chat for you. Okay, boom. I'm going to paste that in there. Okay, there's the link to the image. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to select that image. And then what we do, like I did, I spread it out there. And then you click crop image. Watch what happens. That image is actually going to go to the top of our website. So whatever image you decide to put up there is going to go to the top of your website. That's where that image is placed. And like I said, you can get someone from your graphic design department to design something really nice. This one I just basically did in Photoshop, real simple. Okay, so now if you notice, it's not centered. So I'm going to go ahead and click publish. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back a step and I'm going to go to layout. I'm going to go to header and I'm going to go to header alignment. I'm going to click center. And then I want you to click publish. All right. And then I'm going to get rid of this up here. I don't personally want that. Now, this says the On Fire Church. You can change it to whatever you want whenever your graphic designer designs it for you. Okay. So in order to get rid of this type, just click the arrow again, go to site identity and click where it says hide site title and hide site tagline. And you click publish. There it is. Now, if we go to our actual website, we click refresh, we're going to see the image. Isn't that cool? Now, our goal is to get our website to look like this. And right now, we're here. All right, so how do we add the pages on here? We got home, live webcast, podcast, small groups, blog, contact us. The way you do that, just go back, close that. Okay, and we're going to go to our dashboard, and then you're going to go to pages. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click add new. And I want you to start off, I want you to put home. Type that in there, home, publish. Once that's done, I want you to click add new again. Then I want you to click live webcast. Live webcast. I want you to click publish. Then I want you to click add new. And like I said, if you have any questions, what's up, the Flex 116? I see you. I see you. Okay. And then after that, we're going to click blog. We'll type in blog. Click publish. All right. And then after that, let me see what other pages we have here. Home, live webcast. We're going to do podcasts and small groups. So then you go back. Okay, you already got your blog. So we're going to type add new, and then we're going to do podcast. Okay. And then publish. And then we're going to do a contact us page. In order to add that page, you just go to add new. And then you type in contact us. So what we're doing is we're adding all these pages to our website. Contact us. You hit publish. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to pages. I'm going to click and see what pages we have. We got blog, contact us, home, live webcast, podcast, and we're missing one. Let's see which one we're missing. Small groups. Okay, so you go back to pages, click add new, and then you type in small groups. This is good stuff right here. How to build a website for your church for free. And then you click publish. All right. So now we got all of our pages. So here's the cool thing. If we go to our existing website, this is our existing website. All we have is a banner, a sample page, and a sample blog. But now we just added 6 pages. So when I hit refresh, watch what happens. There's all of our pages. Isn't that cool? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The reason you have 7 is because there's a sample page that automatically comes up when you build your website. So we're going to get rid of that. The way you get rid of that is you go back to your dashboard, go to pages, See where it says sample page? See that? I want you to click trash. Go ahead and trash that. Okay, now you're good to go. So now when we go here, we click refresh. Watch what happens. There it is. All right. Thanks. The Flex 116 in the house. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's awesome how you could build a website for free for your church. Okay, so we got home, live webcast, blog, podcast, contact us, small groups. But if you notice over here, these are in a different order. It says home, live webcast, podcast, small groups, blog, contact us. How do you change the order of these? I'm going to show you now. You go back to your dashboard. Get used to that word dashboard because that's where a lot of the fun takes place. And that's where a lot of the things where you make changes to your website show. That's where you make a lot of the changes to your website. Okay, so in order to change the order of these things here, we go to our dashboard and then you go to appearance and then you go to where it says menu, you click right there. Okay, and then it's going to load up your menu. There's your menu, home, blog, contact us. You're going to have two homes because we created one, and then one uh, default comes with when you install your website. Okay, then you got live webcast, podcast, small groups. So in order to change the order of these things, like for example, say we want home, live webcast, podcast, you go back to the menu and you just click and drag. So I click and I want home. I want my live webcast to go up, click, drag. But make sure you drag it to the left. If you go to the right, it's going to be a submenu. So make sure it's all the way to the left. Okay, so you got home, my webcast, blog, and let's do podcast next. Let's do our small groups, and let's do contact us. Now this home page here, let's see, we're going to take out one of these. Let's take out this one. I'm sorry, let's take out this one here. Let me see where we at. See which one I got to take out here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, let's take this one out. So we're going to remove home right there. Okay, and then we're going to create menu. Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to move this home, click and drag it all the way to the top. And then we click refresh or save menu. Sorry about that. So now let's see what we got. We got home, live webcast, blog, podcast, small groups, contact us. Now, right now, the Flex is asking in the chat, when you create a website, do you have to pay for a domain? Um, no and yes. If you want a subdomain, you don't have to pay for it. If you want your own domain, then you need to pay for it. So this website that I'm building right here shows you how to get a free website with a free domain. Now, the only challenge is this. Let me show you the difference between a subdomain and a main domain. Subdomain, you're going to have firedupchurch.siterubics.com. If you had your own domain, it would just be firedupchurch.com. Okay, so you can pay for a domain, but it's about $15 a year, which is not bad. But I'm showing you how to build a website for free, just in case your church is new or your church have a website. Everything I'm doing in this webinar can be done for free. If you joined a little late and you want to catch up with me, all you got to do is go to my website, PastorDre.com. Okay, then you just click right here where it says free website, and it'll take you to where I'm at right now in the webinar. So once again, if you want to do that, just put a wait up in the chat and I'll wait up for you. If not, then I'll move on. Let me know if you guys want to do that. So you just go to my website, PastorDre.com, and then you click free website, and then I can guide you to where I'm at right now if you want to do that now. Okay, so if that's the case, just put in the chat, wait up, and then I'll wait for you. If not, I'll keep moving. So I'll give you about 30 seconds to type that in if you want me to wait. Okay, or if you guys have any other questions, feel free to post them in the chat. We're actually live on a few platforms right now. So this is all the way live. This is not pre-recorded. So if you want me to wait for you, I can. If not, I'll go ahead and move on. Okay, but in order to get a free website, you just go to PastorDre.com, look where it says free website, and it's going to take you to a community. Like I said earlier, a page is going to come up, and it's going to look like this. Let me show you really quick. Let me show you how it's going to look. So once you click free website, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. Okay? And like I said, if you join this community, I'm a member of it, so I can give you a shout out once you join. I'm an affiliate, so if you join using my link, they'll give me a little bit of love. All right, so I'm going to get back to the webinar here. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the chat. So right now we're working on reorganizing this structure here. Right now we have home, live webcast, blog, podcast, contact us, small groups. So I just changed it. So let's hit refresh and let's see what we get. So now we got home, live webcast, blog, podcast, contact us, small groups. I want to move contact us to the end. So let's go back over here. Okay. Now, one thing I forgot to tell you to do is when you create this menu, you got to click where it says primary menu. What you got to click that. Then you click save. Okay. Now, once you go here and you click refresh, there it is. Home, live webcast, blog, podcast, small groups, contact us. Now everything is in order. Isn't that pretty cool? All right. So that's how you put everything in order, just like that. So now we're getting close. We got our header and we got our pages. Come on, somebody. But what I want you to notice is this. On this website, there's nothing on the left or the right, right? But on ours, there's this thing right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this from a blog to a website because right now it's a blog. We're gonna make it a website. And the way you do that, this is top secret right here. This is good stuff. The way you do that is you go to settings, okay? And then see where it says reading? I want you to click right there. See where it says static page? I want you to click that. Then I want you to click down here where it says home, click that. And then where it says post page, I want you to click blog. And then I want you to click save changes. Now, you have just changed your blog into a website. And people charge a lot of money for that just to make those changes. Okay, so watch this. Watch when I refresh this. It's going to look like a website. There it is. It's cool now. So we're getting closer to this. So how do you get rid of the stuff on the side right here? I'm going to show you how to do that. What I want you to do is go to pages, and we're going to make some changes to our home page. So I want you to click edit, and then go over here to the right. See where it says content, no sidebars? You just scroll down, you'll see content, no sidebars. Click that. Then I want you to click update. Now watch what happens when we refresh our page over here. Watch what happens. There it is. It all disappeared. So now we're starting to look like a website. So we're changing it from a blog to a website. And this has all been done for FREE free. My goodness. Okay, so well, we got our header, we got our pages. So how do we add this stuff here? Well, before we do that, I want to show you something else that's pretty cool. I want you to go to settings. And then I want you to go to writing. Click writing right there. What I want you to do is where it says default editor for all users, I want you to click block editor. Allow users to switch editors, I want you to click yes. Then I want you to go ahead and click save changes. Scroll down, click save changes. Now I want you to go back to pages. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to start adding this typing right here. Ours looks like this right now. So what you want to do is go to your dashboard. We want to work on our home page and you want to click edit with block editor. Okay. So the name of our church is the Fired Up Church. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and you can close that, hit that X right there. We're going to go ahead and type in welcome. And in order to start typing, you just click with your mouse. That's it. You click, and then a little cursor will show up, and you're good to go. We're going to say welcome to the Fired Up Church. And then we're going to click update. And then I want you to go back to your website, which is yours right here, and click refresh. How do you refresh? That little circle thing. Boom. There it is. Welcome to the Fired Up Church. But if you notice, this one's nice and big and in the center. Ours is like little and in the corner. How do you change that? You go back to your dashboard. Here's our typing. I want you to highlight it. click bold, click this little design here, go to where it says heading, and click number 2, H2, boom, click like that. Or you can even make it H1, however you want to do it. The bigger the better, or whatever your choice is. And then to center it, you go to these lines and you click Align Text Center and you click Update. Okay, so now when we refresh our website, watch what happens. There it is. Welcome to the Fired Up Church. Isn't that tight? But I want you to notice something. On this website, there's no home thing here. If you look at ours, it says home. This one doesn't have that. I don't like that. If you like it, you can leave it. But how do you get rid of that just in case you don't like it? You go to your home page, you go to the right over here to where it says disable elements, you click there, and then where it says content title, you tick that box and you click update. And you go back, then you click refresh, watch what happens to the home. It disappeared. Okay. Now remember, our goal is this. Right now, we have this. So we're getting there. So how do we get this type on the bottom? Same way you typed in, welcome to the On Fire Church. You come over here, click where you want to start typing. See how the little arrow popped up? And I'm just going to, for the sake of the tutorial, for sake of time, I'm just going to copy this instead of typing it all out. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back over here and I'm just going to paste it. Okay, there it is. I'm going to center it. So I highlight it, click these lines, align text center, boom. Click update, boom. There it is. Let's go ahead and click refresh. There you got it. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll go ahead and pause right now. Take a little pause break. If there's any questions, go ahead and put them in the chat. I'm listening. I'm standing by. I'll wait a few seconds. All right. Anybody got any questions? Let me know. I'll just pour a quick cup of water real quick. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to move on to the next part. We got the typeset. It's coming along. We're starting to, our goal, remember, is to get the website to look like this. Right now we have this, so we're getting there. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to add these images right here. How do you add these images? So what I do is come on over here, and then I click the plus. And then I want you to type in columns, COLUMNS. It's going to give you that option right here. You click it. And then I want you to select this one that has the 3. Okay, then I want you to click update. Okay. Now, after you click update, I want you to click plus. Then I want you to type in image. And click that right there. Boom. Now, I already have 3 images on my hard drive, which are right here. I made them simple in Photoshop. Nothing complicated. And the dimensions are 250 by 200. So if you have a graphic designer that can make some nice images for you, you're good to go. Mine's just real simple and basic, okay? But the dimensions are 250 by 200. So I'm going to click live webcast. And there it is. It uploads it for me. So same thing here. You click the plus. Once you type in image, click image. And then we're going to go grab the other image. We're going to click upload. And then let's do church podcast. Same thing over here. We're going to go to plus. We're going to go to image. We're going to go to upload. And then we're going to go to small groups and double click that image. There's your 3 images. Come on now. Isn't that rocking? Sure, that's rocking. But if you notice, these are not centered. How do you center them? You click on the image. See these lines here? You click there. Then you click Align Center. Click on the image. Click lines. Click Align Center. Click the image. Click the lines. Click Align Center. Click Update. Now let's go ahead and view our website right now. It's looking like this. But let's refresh to see how it looks with the changes that we made. Wow. Come on, somebody. So it's starting to look like this one. All for free. For free. 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 All right. Now, how do you add the video and the typing? All right. Let's get to that. So we're going to go to our dashboard here again. Then we're going to go down here and we're going to click plus. I'm going to click plus right here. Okay, and then we're going to click column or type in columns and click the columns. And this time I want you to choose this one, the 37. There you go. Click update. Okay, and now what I want you to do is click the plus. And I want you to type in video. There it is. You can do a YouTube video, TikTok video, video. Wow, that's pretty cool. I didn't know you could TikTok video. That's tight. All right, so you got YouTube. Boom. All right, now you can put any video you want right here from YouTube. So I'm going to go to YouTube. This is actually a live webcast right now. So I'm going to go ahead and say I want a video from my page. So I'm going to go to my studio. Okay, I'm going to go to my studio. And I'm going to grab a video that I want to put. Now, here's the cool thing. It could be any video you want. All you have to do is upload it to YouTube and get the URL. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go to my videos. Okay, and here's all the videos I've uploaded to YouTube. So say I want this video here. I click over here. It says options on the 3 dots. See where it says get shareable link? You click that. So then I could go back over here and put that link right here. And I'm going to paste it, Control V. On PC, I'm not for sure what it is on a Mac. When you just paste it in and you click embed, watch what happens. There's the video. Isn't that rocking? So then you click update and then you click refresh on your website. So here's our website right now. Let's go ahead and refresh it. And there's your video. Man, so that could be a welcome video. It could be a shout out from your senior pastor. It could be someone greeting from your newcomers team. It could be your newcomers pastor. It could be your PR person. That's rocking. It could be someone saying, hi, welcome to our website. We're so excited you have decided to stop by. And it's free. You just upload it to YouTube. And with cameras nowadays, you can do some good, with phones, you can do some good videos. And you just upload it to YouTube. You're good to go. So how do you put the text? You just go hit a plus over here. You go to paragraph and you can type in hello and thank you for stopping by our website. Here is a welcome video from our newcomers team, or whoever it's from. Okay. And then you just click update. If you want to make it bigger, you highlight it. You can highlight it. Boom. Go to this little symbol here, and you can make it heading, and you can make it heading 3, heading 4. Let's go heading 4, or let's do a heading 3. Heading 3 makes it a little bit bigger. Okay, the smaller the number, the bigger it gets. And you just click update. So let's go to our website and click refresh. Let's see what happens. There it is. Now you got a nice video on your homepage. Isn't that rocking? That's tight, huh? And pretty much you got a nice little website right here, all for free. Now, what I want to show you how to do is if you go to this website here and you click on live webcast, if you click that image, it takes you to the live webcast page. How do you do that? Well, let me show you how to do it. If I go to the dashboard and I click this image, this is going to pop up right here. See this little link? You want to click that. And then you want to drop the URL of the page you want to link it to right here in this box. So we want to link to our live webcast page from this image. So what you do is you go to your live webcast page. There's 2 ways you can do it. Either you could click on the page and get this URL up here, right here, or you can right click and select copy link address. So I'm going to do it that way. And I go back over here and put that link address in that box, click the arrow. Now it's linked. Do the same thing with Church Podcast. I click the image. I go over here, I right click where it says podcast, copy link address, go back, and then click the little chain thing, drop in the URL there, and click the arrow. Do the same thing with the small groups. Go over here, right click the small groups, copy link address, go back, click the image, click the link, paste the link in the URL in here in that box and click the arrow and then click update. Now, when I go over here, click refresh. If I go to the home page, now these images are linked to those pages. So I could click live webcast. It takes me to the live webcast page. I go to church podcast, takes me to the church podcast page. Isn't that rocking? All right. So now your home page is pretty much done. It's done. So let's do your live webcast page. So in order to do that, you just go back to your dashboard. Click on click where it says live webcast. You click where it says edit block editor. Okay. And then on this page, you just type, you could type something like, welcome to our live webcast. The times of our services are, right? So let's go ahead and do that. You just click wherever you want to type and you say, welcome. You click here. So you got, welcome to our live webcast. Say the times of our service are 9 a.m. or you can say Sunday morning at 9 a.m. and Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. So now you're telling them the times of your services, and you can do it however you want. You can make it on different lines. You can go like that, make it stand out. However you want to do it. You can bold it, make it big. However you want to do it. Welcome to our live webcast. The times of our services are, you can put it like that, one Sunday morning, 9 a.m. You can take out the and. Thursday night, 7:30 p.m. You could put these on the same line, however you feel. Okay? Put it on one line like that. Okay. Then you could bold it, make it stand out a little bit. You can center it by clicking these lines here, and you click align center. You do it like that. If that was the case, I'd probably do something like that. And then you click update. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you go ahead and click the plus. You type in video. Okay. You click YouTube. Now, here's the deal. I'm going to show you a little secret. If you have a YouTube account, you can make your live video feed show up here automatically. The way you do that is this. You go to your YouTube, and then I want you to click on your profile picture and click your channel. I want you to click that. After you do that, I want you to click YouTube Studio. All right. Okay, now after you click that, see this little icon here? Click that. It's going to take you to your live studio. Okay. So now what I want you to do is I want you to click stream. Okay. Watch this. This is so cool. Okay. So this is your live stream right here. Okay. And it's going to show me actually going live because I'm live on my channel. So that's going to be pretty cool. Okay. So then what you do is what I want you to do is where's this little arrow here? I want you to get that, click it. And then I want you to click copy right here. Okay. Then what I want you to do is I want you to go back over there and put that in this box and hit paste. You click embed. Okay. And there you go. There's your live feed. And you click update. Okay. Then you hit refresh. Let me see where we at here. Go back over here to your live webcast page. Click live webcast. There it is. You could even click play. And when you go live, let me see what's happening here. Let me see what happened. Hold on 1 second. I see. Yeah. So if I was to go live, let me show you this. So right now I'm live with this one here. I'm live with this feed here. Okay. So if I want this feed to show up, say this is my Sunday morning service feed, and I want it to show up. All I got to do is click over here, click on that, go over here and click this arrow and click copy. Okay. Then I go back over here and then I replace this one. Let me replace it so the actual live feed will show up that I'm live right now. Boom. And I click embed. Okay. So I'm actually doing this webinar live, right? So if I click update and then I go to our live webcast page, this is so cool. And I click play. Watch what's going to come up. Our live webinar. So that's like your live church service. It's all the way live. Is that tight or what? So you could do it like that. And that's all you got to do is you just go to your YouTube. Okay. You go to your actual pre-scheduled service, or your live service. You get that, you click it, and you go over here and you get this little arrow here. You click that. It's going to give you a URL. You click copy, and you are good to go. And you could just do that for your Sunday mornings or your Sunday night services. Tell me that's not rocking, huh? So now you could do live webcasts for your church services. And yes, it's for free. All right. And all they got to do is hit the play button. They could tune in live to your services. Tell me that's not rocking. All right, let's do a blog real quick. Let's go to your blog page. Let's go back to the dashboard. If you have any questions, hit me up, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. All right, so now we're going to work on our blog page. And the way you do a blog is really, you can do it really quick. So let's go to our dashboard. And then I want you to go to post. Okay, you click post. And see where it says hello world? That's a sample blog. Go ahead and trash that. Okay. I want you to click add new. And here you can start writing blogs like what's happening in your church. It's kind of like a newsletter, but on your website. Testimonies and praise reports. You can do so many things. So we're going to call this blog title. To write a blog, you just do your title and your content. So title of this was going to be powerful testimony. You can put whatever you want, but I'm just putting that. And then you just start typing. Here is a powerful testimony of a young man that has been changed by the power of God. And then you just start typing. I think I misspelled powerful. Boom. And you start typing, you hit publish, and you click publish again. Now your blog is live. Now say you want, you'd probably type a lot more. So I'm just going to copy all this and I'm just going to paste it like we actually write it. So then you just paste it, boom, say you're writing, boom, 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 how God's moving. Man, it's powerful. And you click update and then check what happens. I'm going to go back to our website, click our blog page, and look what shows up. There's our blog. If I want to read it, I just click on the title and I start reading the blog. Man, that's powerful. And blogs are very important to your website because it helps you to rank. See, a lot of people just build websites, but they don't build blogs. And then your website doesn't have a good chance to rank in Google because you only have a certain amount of keywords, which is a whole nother topic. But just remember this, whenever you have a website, add a blog to it. Okay. And the good thing is if you keep updating your blog, you get a more chance to rank for different keywords for your website. All right. So then let's do your podcast page. So we have a home page now. We got our live webcast page right here, which is rocking. We got our blog page, which is rocking. And if you want to write another blog, like say you only have one blog, right? If you want to write another one, you just go to your dashboard and show you. You go to your dashboard, you click post, and then you click add new, and then it'll start another blog for you. See? Watch how it starts the blog. And then you could title it whatever you want. Maybe this is a powerful breakthrough of financial breakthrough, powerful financial miracle. Maybe somebody got a miracle in their finances. And you could write about that. Here is a powerful testimony of a young lady that got a huge financial miracle. Okay. And then say you write it out, boom, you keep writing. Oops, sorry about that. Keep writing it out, and however long you want to go. Boom, and you just write you write your blog, say this is what we're writing about. Boom, boom, boom. You hit publish, publish again. We go back to our blog page and click refresh. Now you're going to have two blogs. That's rocking. That's rocking. Okay, let's go ahead and do our podcast page. In order to do podcasts, you want to go back to your dashboard and you go to pages and then you go to podcasts and you click edit. Now, in order to do a podcast page, you have to have a podcast, but you can get a podcast for free. You can go to Podbean. I think they have free podcasts. You go to Anchor, they have free podcasts. So there's a lot of people out there that have free podcasts. Now, what you want to do is I have a paid podcast. I'm going to go ahead and go to mine. Mine is hosted with Spreaker. And I'm going to show you what all you need to do to put your podcast on your website. All you got to do is you go to your podcast, and mine is the Rise Up Radio segment. And you want to get what's called your RSS link. Every podcast is going to have that, whether it's free or paid. Okay. And you click copy. You want to get your RSS link. Keep that in mind. Okay. Then you come back to your podcast page. You go to the plus arrow over here. And then I want you to type in RSS. And then you select that RSS. And then that link that you just copied, this RSS feed link, you're going to put that link right here. And you control V on a PC. I'm not for sure what it is on a Mac to paste, but you paste that link and you click use URL. Then you click update. And it's going to drop the updates in there. It's going to take a little time to register. That's why you're getting that error, but we'll come back to that and it's going to be rocking. Okay, so that's how you do your podcast page. That's how you do it. Now, for your small groups page, it's empty, right? So let me show you how to do that. We're going to go back here. You go to small groups and you go to edit with block editor. Okay, and all you got to do is put the contact details, the address, the phone number of all your small groups. So I'll give you an example of one small group. So here's our small groups. How do you start typing? You just click where you want to type, and then we're going to say name. Let's call it the On Fire small group. Boom. Okay. And then you go down and you can say address, wherever it's located at. The small group is at 1234 Trekker Road in the Goodwood Mall. Boom. Okay. And then you could say contact, whatever you want to put, whatever information you want to put, you put the phone number, boom, 061 407 9474. And then you could put leader, whoever's the leader of the small group. You could say brother on fire. Boom. And there's your contact, your small groups. You click update, and then you go ahead and refresh your small groups page. Watch what happens. There's a list of your small group. And you could just keep repeating that. So say you got another small group. You go down here, click name, say this one is called the Radical Young People. Say it's a youth small group or a student small group, the Radical Student Ministry or something. The Radical Student Group, right? The address. Maybe you meet at the church. You give the church address. Contact. Youth pastor. You put his information. Boom. And then you say leader. Brother Impact. But I'm just giving you, typing in anything, but you would put your details. I think I misspelled contact. Sorry about that. Boom. And then to make the name of the group stand out, you can highlight it and you can bold it. You can make it bigger by clicking the symbol, go to heading, and then just click maybe like a heading 3, make it a little bigger. Same thing with the next one that says name. You can bold it, click this little symbol, click on heading 3, and then it makes it stand out, right? And then you hit update. And then let's go ahead and refresh our small groups page. Let's see how it looks. Man, that's rocking. That's rocking. So there you go. You can put all your list of all your small groups. And then last page is your contact us page. Okay, and the way you could do that is you go back to your dashboard, right? And then the page you want to edit, you just go to that page and you click edit block editor. So we want to edit our contact us page. So you go to edit block editor, right? And then you just put your church phone number, your church email. You can put a contact form. There's so many things you can do. I'll even show you right now where you can get a free contact form. So say here, you can say, the Fired Up Church. Say that's the name of your church. Boom, located at 123 Fort Trekker Road, corner of Fort Trekker and McDonald in the Goodwood Mall. Boom. So there's your address. You can say phone. Boom. 061 407 9474. You can put your church email. Huh? Church email. Say info at the fired up church.com or whatever your email is. Boom. And then you just go ahead and click update. Like I said, you can bold this to make it stand out. So you hit bold, click the little symbol, do a little heading, maybe like a heading 2, right? And then you just click update. And then if we refresh our contact, we go to our contact us page, there it is, contact us, the Fired Up Church. It's your address, phone number, email. You can put all your contact information. But let me show you how to get a free contact form. All you got to do, let me go to an incognito window. Boom. All you got to do is go to a place called jotform.com. Okay. And they'll give you, if you look at their pricings here, they have a free service for 5 forms. I'm a member, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to put in a form from my account. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to jotform. Jotform.com. Okay. And then you just simply, once you log in, once you sign up for the free account, it's going to give you once you log in, you're going to get a page that looks like this. And all you got to do is click create form. That's all you got to do. When you click that, I'm going to go ahead and edit a form I already have. It's going to give you the option to create a form. And all you got to do is click and drag. So you see where it says add form element, you click that plus. And if you want to put a name, you just click it and drag it on over. Boom. If you want their email, you click it, drag it over. You want their address, you click it, drag it over. That's it. Okay. And if you want something like I did here with multiple choice, you scroll down a little bit, see where it says multiple choice, you drag it over, fill in your information, the question, and then there are options of selecting it, and you're good to go. And the cool thing about this is once you set up your email, once they fill out this form, their answers will be automatically emailed to you. Isn't that cool? And the place you set up your email is right here under settings. You got your email, and it's gonna, email you there. All right. Now, how do you put this form into your website? Once you got your form the way you want it, you go to publish. See where it says embed, you click there, and then you grab this code right here. I want you to click copy code, you click that. Now we're going to go to our contact us page, and wherever you want to put the form at, you click plus, and then you type in HTML, and you click that little box right there that shows up. Now the code you just copied, I want you to paste it right here. Okay, and then you click update. Now let me see. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see, response. Let me try it again. Click update. Let's see what happens. It says it's invalid. Let me see what's happening. Should be working though. There it is. Boom. So I put the HTML in there, right? So there's the form that we just made, or the form that was on my jot form. Boom. There it is. Okay, there's the form. Click publish. You get the code from embed. You drop it in right here. Refresh. There's your form. So you could even take this stuff out. Or let me show you something else. If there's an item that you would like to move up or down, you just click that item. See these arrows? Click up, and you click up. So say you want the form at the top. You bring it all the way to the top, click update, and then you click refresh. And now you got a form at the top. There it is. And you got your info on the bottom. You can even take that out. Now you have a 6-page website. You got a home page, live webcast, blog, podcast page. Come on, somebody. A, a small groups page and a contact us page. And you're rocking and rolling. And there it all is for free. So if you have any questions, hit me up. I would love to help you out. My email is pastordre@pastordre.com. That's pastordre@pastordre.com. I would love to help you out. Let me see if I can go over here. Let me see real quick. Boom. Yeah, here's your boy right here. So if you want to hit me up, you can send me an email, pastordre@pastordre.com. I would love to try to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, family. I hope this has helped you out. And once again, right here, that's our goal. And here's how our website turned out right here. Let me show you. There it is. That's rocking. And you did it all for free. All right, hit me up if you have any questions. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless.